It's just us two. Just us two. And I can't believe it. Yeah. What do I do? What do I do? Now I found you. You got me flipped from what I knew. Out of the blue.
Solid duet, all made and generated in Suno and Suno Studio. Okay, so we've edited the whole song. We've built a duet. So basic concept is we take the song into Suno Studio, we separate it, we extract the stems, and we build a vocal acapella. With that vocal acapella, we go and create another generation of that by turning it into the opposite vocal line. So being a male vocal line, we're going to convert that into a female vocal line. And then from the female vocal line, if Suno does create music in that next generation, you have to go and separate that again into another acapella. And then from those two acapellas, you go and alternate with your editing using your shortcuts, and you will come up with a brilliant, amazing duet that just is phenomenal. Okay, today's video is about making a duet in Suno. Now, Suno doesn't actually have a duet button, but there is a workaround. It's a really simple process. Okay, so we're going to go quickly to Suno. I've got the song called Belong, and it sounds like this.
What do I do? What do I do? Now I found you.
So I'm going to quickly select the song and then take it into Studio. Okay, so there's the song. We're going to go and extract the stems out of that, and then we're going to replace our vocals. We're going to click this button, and then we're going to go and say vocals and instrumental. Okay, so Suno has now created the vocals over here with the instrumental. We're just going to go and insert all into our workspace.
What do I do? What do I do? Now I found you.
And there's the instrumental. So the vocals have been separated and they're by themselves.
You turn a face to.
Okay, so the next step we have to do is we have to convert that into female vocals. So we're going to select that track, duplicate this track, and then while it still says vocals on it, going to go down here and we're going to select it. And from here, we're going to convert this into female vocals. We should add the lyrics. Let's go back over here, copy our lyrics, and then paste our lyrics into here. Done. And we want to select that. We're going to go and replace that by clicking cover. So now Suno is going to go and regenerate that vocal line. Okay, Suno has done a cover version of that audio file, just the vocals, the acapella version of Belong, and we've intentionally prompted it to be a female version of the male, so then we can create our duet. Let's listen to the first version, version number 1.
What do I do? What do I do? Now I found you. You got me flipped from what I knew.
Hey, that's pretty good, Suno. Okay, so we've got the male version and the female version over the instrumental. Let's click the instrumental back on again.
Got me flipped from what I knew. Out of the blue. Now I can see my future. Now I can see I belong to you. I belong to you.
Okay, so the female version is out of time. So what we need to do is we need to go and edit that. Okay, so what I'd like to do now is alternate the vocals so then the male and females come together in the second chorus. All right, so we know we've got the song edited somewhat. Just going to check those edits.
What do I do? What do I do? Now I found you. You got me flipped from what I knew. Out of the blue.
And then once you've done all the editing, you're simply going to go and export the full song, and Suno will generate a new version of that song. So let's quickly go and see our new song in Suno. Here it is on the left-hand side. It's called Belong Remastered in Suno Studio.
What do I do? What do I do? Now I found you.
Here's the females.
You got me flipped from what I knew. Out of the blue.
There you go.
You turn a face to. Now I can see my future. I belong to you. It's just us two. Just us two. And I can't believe it. Yeah. What do I do? What do I do? Now I found you. You got me flipped from what I knew. Out of the
solid duet, all generated in Suno Studio. If you liked any of this content and you thought it was educational, helpful, inspirational, or simply entertaining, hit the subscribe button and share the content. I am confident that I will see you in the next one. Ciao.